My favorite Uncle Brian passed away January of that year. He had early onset Alzheimer's. He got diagnosed at 62. And he literally, Lewy body is a form of, that's what eventually killed him. But he was diagnosed with Lewy body, and there's 7 stages, and he was like at stage 3. And so he passed away. So I had to like go and say goodbye to him. And then my grandmother passed away April 5th, the same day that Lane Stanley and Kurt Cobain died. I will never forget. Like, she went out on a high note. Like, that's just my grandmother. My grandmother was very stubborn, very independent. She did not want to go into assisted living. And I'm like, guys, like, you've really got to put her into assisted living.
Yeah.
Like, and she ended up falling, was like on the ground for like, I don't know, it was like 17 hours. My aunt found her,
Oh
and
my goodness.
all of these, like, she just couldn't get back on her feet or
Yeah.
get well. But the thing that I totally respect about my grandmother is she went out on her own terms. Like, she had a say, she knew what she wanted, and she just wasn't living the life that she wanted to live. And she was sick. And so that happened in April, and internally, I just was not feeling it from a career standpoint.
Yeah.
And even though things were like absolutely amazing in my career, but I was having all these things going on. And then I'm like, I don't know if this is what I want to do. And then in the turmoil of all of that, my face and my neck started to break out. Like, it would just get red. I'd have hives. My face would puff out. It would itch so bad that it would wake me up in the middle of the night. I would want to rip my skin off. It was really incredibly bad. Yeah. They couldn't figure out what was going on. I went to the allergist. I went to the I think I even told you this. Like, I went to the dermatologist and they told me that I was allergic to the sun.
I guess I know. I was like, that is really a bad answer, you know?
Yeah. Like, I'm like, okay, we're not going to come back to you.
And you live in Florida, so you're like, yeah, who's allergic to the sun? I mean, come on, get a better answer, you know?
Well, and we were still living in Virginia, and my husband's like, and you want to move to Florida, the Sunshine State. Like, that's going to be a problem, Kelly. I'm like, no, we're still going to move there. Like, this has been the 11-year plan at this point in time. We're still going. But I was just, I couldn't sell. I couldn't see the right foot in front of the other.